In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce background noise in Kdenlive. If you've ever worked on a video project where the audio wasn't quite up to par due to unwanted background noise, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up that audio and ensure your project sounds professional. First, let's get started by opening up your Kdenlive project. Once you have it open, import the video or audio clip that contains the unwanted background noise. It's crucial to have your file ready and available in the project bin so you can easily work with it. Now move your clip onto the timeline. This is where the magic happens, as you can apply different effects and edits right from the timeline. Click on your clip to make sure it's selected. This tells Kdenlive which audio you want to focus on. Next, head over to the effects panel. You'll want to search for noise reduction. You'll come across chroma noise reduction under the gain and noise section. This is a powerful effect specifically designed to diminish those distracting ambient sounds in your audio. Once you've found it, drag and drop the noise reduction effect directly onto your clip in the timeline. By doing this, you're applying the effect to your audio, preparing it for adjustments. With the effect now applied, move to the effects stack panel. Here you'll see various settings like noise threshold and reduction strength. These settings are key to customizing how much background noise is reduced. It's important to strike a balance. Aim to minimize unwanted noise while preserving the quality of your main audio. Take advantage of the playback feature to listen carefully as you make adjustments. This step is all about fine-tuning. Listen attentively to your clip to ensure that the changes you're making are leading to a cleaner, clearer sound. It might take a bit of tweaking, but this will ensure the best outcome. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reduce background noise in Kdenlive. With cleaner audio, your project will undoubtedly have a more polished, professional sound. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for even more editing tips and tricks.